Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's going to be a fun video. I know that you guys love the multichrome swatches that I do. So I am doing swatches of some multichromes I was sent in PR from Baby Bat Beauty. And these are their 6 multichromes that they have. So I'm going to go over each shade with you like on my eye, and I'm also going to show them to you on my hand and my fingers as well. And I am also doing 2 looks for you. So these are the looks I created. I am using a total of 4 multichromes here. But before we get into the swatches, let me show you a look that I just did with these. Y'all, I'm obsessed. I freaking covered my body in multichromes. I really did. Oh my gosh. I used the shade Jewel Beetle and Amulet for this. And I also went in with Blue Blood and some Terra Moon shadows and some Slave Fire glitters. I used a lot for this look, but let me show it to you real quick because, ooh, baby. And I'm also going to show you some swatches as well that I took. Now, Baby Bat Beauty is a gothic makeup company. They're indie, so I really tried to do some like gothic inspired makeup and swatches. Some of them are just bar swatches, but I did like a skull, and I think it turned out awesome. So while I'm here showing you the pictures, these multichromes are $15.50 each, and they do come in a 26mm pan. I'm looking on their website right now. It looks like all of them except Ephemera are sold out currently, but she restocks quite frequently. So you can always DM her on her Instagram and ask when they'll be in stock. So if you guys are interested in any of these, I'll have her website linked below. She has a ton of other shadows. And just for reference, I forgot to say, for the rest of my makeup, I didn't say in the end, I did go in with Fenty Beauty in Uncuffed for the lips. For the base of every look, I did use the Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette. So I did use this for both looks, and I used the exact same technique for both looks as well. So you really can use this technique with any base shades and any multichrome, and it will give you the same effect. And you guys can play with a million different colors. So this just base technique really works to create endless possibilities. For the blush, I actually went in with the Balm in the Balm of Your Hand Volume 2, and I went in with this shade right here. It did have a little bit of a glow. It was beautiful.
Hey, Mommy!
Hey, baby! And then for highlight, I went in with 2 separate ones. I went in with Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in...
Mommy!
Okay! in Bloom Time, and I did just hit pan on this. It's such a gorgeous highlighter from Wet n Wild, you guys. And then I went in with Badass Cosmetics. Cool! That's awesome! And then I went in... You eat it! And then I went with Badass Cosmetics on top of that. I don't know the shade, but it is a really beautiful kind of pearlescent pink.
Love you, Mommy!
Love you too, baby!
Mommy. Kiss.
I see you. You want a kiss?
Mm.
Mwah! It's my 3-year-old. I love her. forgot to press record, so I'm just gonna quickly show you the colors that I used because I'm a dumbass, but also I just did the exact same technique with the exact same brushes. I started with this kind of flat oval brush and I went in with Vile Serpent, and then I went in with Executioner with this JS13. This is actually a Jeffree Star brush. And I went ahead and darkened it up, and then I'm starting to buff out the edges.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, baby! And then I'm starting to buff out the edges with Scandal Water. And I'm just gonna keep buffing this out and mixing it with Vile Serpent until it looks nice and blended. And there we go. YouTuber of the Year award because I suck. Alright, you guys, here is 2 looks. Let me know which one you guys like the best. I am not sure. I think I'm liking... I don't know, they're both really pretty. Y'all can do this technique, like the technique that I did, with any palette and any multi-chrome right in the center of your lid there, and it will give you the same effect. You guys can play with colors. You guys can do a whole bunch of different varying shifts with whatever's in your multi-chrome shadow. So if you have like an orange but it's a purple and a red, you can do like a purple lower lash line. Oh my god, that would look so pretty. Oh, multi-chromes are amazing. Multi-chromes are the best things that have ever existed on the face of the planet. They shift to 1,000 different colors whenever you guys move your head. I mean, they're the coolest. I'm sorry. I love multichromes. As you guys saw in the picture I showed you earlier, I covered my body in them as much as I could. So, let me know which look you guys was your favorite, and that's all I have for this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!